We're at a friend's house, and this is the air conditioner. It's a Comfortmaker 5-ton unit from 2005. And I know there's stuff on top. Just making it quick, because we might leave soon. Model NAC060AKC3. So it's a 5-ton, serial E05430163. It's from 2005, and it's a 5-ton. There's a Carrier. There's like some kind of Carrier with. It kind of looks like a Carrier TECH2000. The neighbors set. And let's see what this neighbor has. And the other neighbors, they have another Comfortmaker. Yes, they do have another Comfortmaker, and so does this house has a Comfortmaker. And this house has a Carrier TECH2000. It's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor. GE commercial fan. And Midwest disconnect. Parker suction line and liquid line. And we're just, yes. So this is pretty much it. A 2005 5-ton Comfortmaker air conditioner at a friend's house. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.